You've probably heard the phrase, start saving early. But what does that really mean? Sure, you can stash cash under your mattress, but let's be real, inflation is a sneaky thief. What if I told you there's a way to make your money work harder for you, even while you sleep? Intrigued? Let's talk about investing with nutmeg. Investing can sound complex, like something only suited for suits and spreadsheets. But here's the thing, it doesn't have to be. Platforms like Nutmeg are changing the game, making investing accessible to everyone. Whether you're a seasoned saver or just starting out, Nutmeg could be your financial sidekick. Diving into the main content, how to open a Nutmeg investment account. Okay, let's get down to business. How do you actually open a Nutmeg investment account? It's simpler than you think. Step 1. Sign up. Head over to the Nutmeg website. It's pretty straightforward. You'll need to provide some basic information like your name, email, and date of birth. Think of it as filling out a slightly more important online shopping form. Step 2. Risk assessment. Now, this is where things get a bit interesting. Nutmeg will ask you about your financial goals and risk tolerance. Don't panic. It's not a test. They just want to understand your comfort level with ups and downs in the market. This information helps them tailor an investment plan that suits you. Step 3. Funding your account. Once you've got your risk profile sorted, it's time to fund your account. Nutmeg offers various ways to do this, including bank transfers and debit cards. Choose the method that suits you best. Step 4. Choose your investment plan. This is where the magic happens. Nutmeg offers a range of investment plans, from cautious to adventurous. Don't worry if you're not an investment expert. Nutmeg provides clear explanations for each plan, so you can make an informed decision. Step 5. Set it and forget it. Almost. Okay, you've done the hard part. Now, it's time to let Nutmeg do its thing. Your money will be invested in a diversified portfolio of assets. This means your eggs aren't all in one basket, which is crucial for managing risk. But don't completely forget about your investments. It's a good idea to check in on your account regularly. Nutmeg provides easy-to-understand performance reports so you can see how your money is growing. Additional tips. Start small. You don't need a huge sum to start investing. Even small regular contributions can add up over time. Diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. A diversified portfolio helps spread risk. Long-term perspective. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Focus on the long term and ignore short-term fluctuations. Consider ISA. If you're in the UK, take advantage of tax-free savings with an ISA. Wrapping up investing might seem daunting, but with platforms like Nutmeg, it's becoming more accessible. Remember, it's about building your financial future. It's about giving your money the opportunity to grow. So, why wait? Take the first step and open your Nutmeg account today. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.